All Pro Gutter Guards delivers reliable downspout installation throughout Belcamp, Maryland, ensuring rainwater flows safely away from your home. We evaluate your gutter layout, choose the right downspout size, and place each run where it can handle heavy rainfall without stressing your foundation or landscaping. Our installers use durable materials, secure mounting brackets, and proper drainage extensions to keep water moving efficiently. We can replace damaged downspouts, reroute problem areas, and fine-tune the system for long-term performance. Contact us today for a free estimate. Are you looking for a gutter cleaning near me? You can stop looking. You found All Pro Gutter Guards. Why are properly installed downspouts so important? Properly installed downspouts direct rainwater away from your foundation, preventing basement leaks, soil erosion, siding damage, and costly structural issues while keeping your gutter system flowing efficiently year-round. What types of downspouts do you install? We install durable aluminum, oversized, copper, and specialty downspouts, offering both standard and decorative styles to match your home's design while delivering reliable water flow and long-lasting performance. What is your service area for the Belcamp, Maryland office? Our gutter cleaning services have helped customers in the surrounding areas of Belcamp, Edgewood, Aberdeen, Joppatown, Havre de Grace, Perry Hall, Middle River, Rossville, Kearney, Overley, Essex, Parkville, Rosedale, Edgemere, Towson, Dundalk, Riverside, Perryman, Abingdon, and Fallston, Maryland. Where is your Belcamp, Maryland gutter cleaning office located? We are located at 4690 Millennium Drive, Belcamp, Maryland 21017. Our phone number is 443-658-2901. Visit our website, apgutterguards.com/Belcamp-MD.